So hey guys, this video is recorded from a rear facing camera of Samsung Galaxy M21, and this I have never used a external mic in this footage, so this audio is coming from internal mic of this M21. So the dynamic range is clear enough, is sufficient enough. You can check the cloud whether it is okay or not. You can judge it itself. So the basically this video is 30 fps, so the shuttering, I mean, video is not much smoother or smooth compared to 60 fps, but it is okay if you want this budget to be a professional level. So yeah, I have lower down the contrast and this scenes look amazing, and the contrast is now switch to ultra wide angle. So let's begin. So hey guys, this video is recorded from ultra wide angle lens, and the audio itself coming from internal mic of this Samsung Galaxy M21. So I have tested this, you can judge it itself, and there is a kite around there. I will zoom. No, there is no zoom in ultra wide, so you can't zoom in ultra wide angle lens when you are switching in ultra wide angle. So the dynamic range is quite enough, and this video is raw. I have not edited any uh, color grading or anything else like in filmmaking. So you can judge it itself. Lightning, color corrections and dynamic range, voice output. Now you can judge it itself whether it is okay for a vlogger. So you can shoot it from ultra wide angle lens from the rear camera itself, and this is okay for the vlogger if you don't use any internal mic. So the footage is in 1080p, I think. Yes, 1080p 30 fps video. There is a 4K video option there, but I have never used, and I will suggest not to use that, because if you use 4K, then this is burden to when you're editing. So let's find out the stabilization, how the stabilization works on ultra wide angle lens. So you can judge it. I have now I want to switch to the 48 megapixel primary camera, and then you can judge the video stabilization. So hey guys, this video is recording from front camera, and this audio is also recorded from this internal mic, from this internal mic only. So the audio and video quality, hope you like that. And basically SDR mode, dynamic range mode is also good, and you can clear see that yaar iska hai. So the dynamic range is also very clear and very good. I have not used any external mic, so this footage is basically a raw footage, and I have not edited a single color correction, color grading, noise reduction, nothing edited. So this video is only a raw video. So you can judge this video and basically the stabilization from the front camera. So there is not much stabilization. I think there is not stabilization in the front camera itself. So once again I will check it. So there is no stabilization in front camera. Yeah, now switch to rear camera and check its footage. 1080p footage only, not a 4K footage, because we don't upload to YouTube 4K video. We only upload 1080p videos. So a full HD video is sufficient. I mean, so let's move to the back camera. So here it is. So now this video is recorded from 48 megapixel primary camera, and I hope the cropper section you see in comparison to ultra wide angle lens. So I will see when I will edit this footage. So I only in the editing step I only do combining process. I will combine all this clip into one, and then provided output will be the 1080p 30 fps only. So stabilization, again I am little walking, you can say running, so you have better look about stabilization. And the voice is coming from itself M21 internal mic. So after this, seeing all the footage of the Samsung Galaxy M21, if you want to buy this phone, then the link is in down in my description box. And guys, hope you like this video, and you know what I will be telling you the next is like, share, comment, subscribe. So hit the bell icon after subscribing my channel. So let's take the further look. Yes, awesome weather. So peace.